Hi students, today we will study accounting treatment of goodwill. As we have already studied valuation of goodwill using different methods. So accounting treatment of goodwill is necessary at the time of reconstitution of a partnership firm. In case of admission of a partner, new partner brings his share of goodwill and old partner sacrifices their share of goodwill. So today we will learn how we treat goodwill in case of admission of a partner as well as journal entries. Look at the example. A and B are two partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:1. They take C into partnership for 1/5 share of future profit. Here, A and B are two partners whose profit sharing ratio is 3:1 and they admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 of the future profit. Now, C brings rupees 10,000 as goodwill. Show the new profit sharing ratio and distribution of the goodwill amount between A and B. Here, C brings rupees 10,000 as his premium of goodwill. We need to calculate new profit sharing ratio and distribution of goodwill amount between the old partners A and B. So, old profit sharing ratio, share of new partner as well as amount of goodwill is already given in the sums. We simply solve it. First we need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Look at the solution. Old ratio between A and B is equal to 3:1 and C gets 1/5 share of future profit. So here first we calculate remaining future profit for A and B. So remaining profit for A and B is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5. 1 is the whole profit and 1 by 5 is the share of C. So we are left with 4 by 5. Now A's share is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 5. 3 by 4 is his old profit sharing ratio and 4 by 5 is remaining profit sharing ratio. That is 12 by 20. Similarly, in case of B, 1 by 4 into 4 by 5, that is 4 by 20. Now, C share. C admitted for 1/5 share and to equalize denominator, we multiplied 1 by 5 into 4 by 4. That is 4 by 20. So, here new profit sharing ratio is 12:4:4. As there is no change in the mutual ratio of A and B, we will consider sacrificing ratio as 3:1. Look at the solution. New ratio of A and B is equal to 12:4. When we simplify it, we will get 3:1. So, when there is no change in mutual ratio of old partners, old ratio and sacrificing ratio will remain same, that is 3:1. Now we know that C brings 10,000 as his share of goodwill. So we pass a journal entry, that is bank account debit because we receive goodwill in cash, or goodwill account debit, whatever you want to write you can, to A's account to B's account. A is also a old partner and B is also a old partner, and we divide 10,000 in the ratio of 3:1, that is 7,500 and 2,500. So whole entry become bank account or goodwill account debit to A's account to B's account, and the narration is being premium of goodwill bought by new partners credited to old partners in sacrificing ratio. So we will divide 10,000 in 3:1 ratio, and A will get 7,500 as premium of goodwill and B will get 2,500 as premium of goodwill. This is the case in which new partner brings share of goodwill or premium of goodwill. We simply credited the amount in sacrificing ratio amongst the old partner. But there are few cases in which new partner fails to bring the premium of goodwill amount. So we treat it in a different way, which we will learn in example 2. Look at the example. X and Y are two partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. They take Z into the partnership. Z brings rupees 10,000 as capital but cannot bring rupees 3,000 as his share of goodwill. Here, two partners X and Y whose profit sharing ratio is 3:2 and they take Z as a new partner. Z brings rupees 10,000 as capital but failed to bring rupees 3,000 which is his premium of goodwill. New profit sharing ratio is also given, that is 5:4:3. We need to pass journal entries. Okay. So look at the solution. New partner failed to pay the premium money. So the goodwill is to be raised at full value. When new partner failed to bring his premium of goodwill, we need to calculate the total amount of goodwill for further treatment of goodwill. Okay, so first we need to find the full value of goodwill. Now look at the sums. Share of goodwill is equal to 3,000 of new partner. Now we multiplied 3,000 into 12 by 3. 12 by 3 is the sum total of new profit sharing ratio, that is 5 plus 4 plus 3, and 3 is the share of new partner. So to calculate full value of goodwill, we simply take the premium of goodwill of new partner, multiplied it by the new profit sharing ratio and divided by the ratio of new partner. So we will get rupees 12,000 is full value of goodwill. Now we will pass journal entries. First, new partner brings rupees 10,000 as capital. So bank account debit to Z account. That is, capital is coming in. So bank account debit to Z account rupees 10,000, 10,000. Narration is Bean capital introduced by Z on his admission. Now, goodwill account debit to X account to Y account. X is a old partner, Y is also a old partner. And we simply divide full value of goodwill in old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. So, goodwill account debit 12,000 and X account credit 7,200, Y's account credit 4,800. Being goodwill raised and credited to old partners account in the ratio 3:2. Here, firm is crediting old partners account with the existing amount of goodwill in their old profit sharing ratio. Now, we will calculate goodwill as considering all the three partners. So, entry is X account debit 5,000, Y account debit 4,000, Z account debit 3,000 to goodwill account 12,000. Here we divide the whole value of goodwill, that is 12,000, in new profit sharing ratio, which is 5:4:3. So amount will be 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000. So if new partners bring his share of goodwill, we simply credit all old partners account in sacrificing ratio. But if new partners fails to bring goodwill amount, then we simply credit full amount of goodwill amongst old partner in old profit sharing ratio and full amount of goodwill amongst new partners in new profit sharing ratio. That means we debit new partners account in new profit sharing ratio with full amount of goodwill. That's it.
If you like this video, please click subscribe to watch more such videos. Thanks for watching.